Hi parents, welcome back to another math hour. Today I'm going to be teaching you another factorial technique. It's a little bit involved, but it's not very hard. Step by step, best way to go. Let me show you how to do it right now. Let's take an example. So, yesterday in my previous video, we talked about factorials. Factorial simply means you take the number and you go down the number line and then you multiply all those numbers. Today I taught the kids how to use factorials with very large numbers. Take a look. Let's try something like this. Let's try 58 factorial divided by 56 factorial. Now, these are big numbers. We can't do 58 times 57 times 56 all the way down. It's going to take forever. Let us use a shortcut technique. Check it out. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a dividing line. Step number one. Now, I'm going to do 58 factorial. Let's do it right now. 58 times 57 times 56. Stop. I will not go any further down than 56. Why? Because 56 is the number right below the denominator. This is where I will stop. So I've got my top numbers. Now I just need the bottom number. What's my bottom number going to be? 56. Take it, put it right over here. And now, as before, I'm going to ask myself, is there any number here that I can cancel? I sure can. 56 and 56. Cancel them out. And guess what? I'm left with 58 times 57. I will solve it. 58 times 57. 8 sevens are 56. 7 fives are 35. 35 plus 5 is 40. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 5 is 25. And 25 plus 4, 29. And my final answer, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 3,306. And this is how you do factorials with very big numbers. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Let's try another example. Let us do big number factorials, except I'm going to reverse the order. I'm going to do small factorial, like 32 factorial. And I'm going to divide it by a larger factorial. Let's say 35 factorial. We got a problem over here. A small factorial divided by a large factorial. How do we do this? This is how we do it. Step number one. The first thing you have to do is flip the numbers. Reverse the numbers. Put 32 down below and put 35 on top. So I'm going to do 35 factorial divided by 32 factorial. This is step number one. Very important step. Step number two. Once I've got my factorial set up, I go ahead and follow through and solve it. 35 factorial. Let's do that right now. Over 32 factorial. Dividing line. I'll start with 35, multiply by 34, multiply by 33, multiply by 32. And I stop right there. Why? Because 32 is where I need to stop. It says the number 32, that's where I will stop. What should I put down here in the denominator? Whatever this number is. And that's 32. Is there any number now that I can cancel? Sure is. 32. I can cancel 32 and 32. What's left? 35 times 34 times 33. Let's solve it. Let's do it right now. I'm going to use a calculator. I don't have my calculator. Here we go. I got my calculator right here. I could do the old-fashioned way, but that's going to take some time. So let's do it 35 times 34 times 33. 39,270. That's the answer for this part. 39,270. But we're not done. we reversed the order. This is not the correct answer yet. So, what do we have to do now? Since we reversed the order in the beginning, we're going to take our answer and reverse that answer as well. So, instead of just a regular 39,270, I'm now going to turn it into a fraction. I'm going to make it 1 over 39,270. And this is the answer. This is the final answer. This is how we do it step-by-step factorials. All we did was flip the factorials, solve it the regular way, and whatever answer we got, we flipped it back again. And when you flip out the answer, it's always going to be a fraction. It's always going to be 1 over whatever the number is. And this is how you do factorials with big numbers. Small factorial divided by big factorial. Thank you.